Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the USB device not recognized error on Windows 11. First, open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Next, open the Windows folder, then open the INF folder. In the search box at the top right, type WPD and wait for the results to appear. Find the file name wpdmtp-inf. Right-click on it and select Install. Wait for Windows to complete the installation. After that, click the Start button and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager, then expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. Right-click each USB device one by one and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for any available updates. Once you've updated your USB drivers, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, reconnect your USB device and check if Windows recognizes it correctly. And that's it. That's how you can fix the USB device not recognized error on Windows 11. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.